Hello dear students, welcome to the class today. I hope you all are doing fine. As you all know, we are carrying on with chapter 1, okay, Nationalism in Europe. And this revision work that we are doing, I know and I hope it will help you a lot. Yes, got it. So please check and please see that how the changes were happening in Europe. In complete, I mean, the European society was undergoing a big change and a big revolution. So how this revolution was happening and how these changes were happening, that needs to be understood. In the last class, what we have done, we have discussed about the concept of modern state and nation state. Now, this concept of modern state and nation state that we have discussed, we have understood about the culture, the system that was there in Europe in the olden times. Today, we will be understanding with the help of the example of French Revolution. French Revolution, children, you have already done it in class 9th. But just see and just look at the importance of the French Revolution in in the world history. We studied it in class 9th. We are studying it in class 10th. So we need to be very clear that how French Revolution had left an impact on the world history. Okay, the most important nationalistic ideas that had developed, it has developed in France, and it started with the French Revolution in 1789. Got it? Now, France, as we all remember, as we all know, that it was a full-fledged territorial state. Territories were there, and 1789 it was under absolute monarchy. Matlab, king's rule was there. Nobody was there to listen. I mean, the king was doing whatever the king wanted. कोई उनको रोकने वाला नहीं है, कोई उनको टोकने वाला नहीं है. So this is how the things were happening. Got it? So French Revolution in 1789, it was an absolute monarchy. Got it? Now this absolutist, हमने अभी last topic में we have already discussed about the absolutist system, where the king is there, where the king is not ready, and they are without anybody stopping them from doing anything. Got it? तो क्या हुआ? Political and constitutional changes were happening. काफी सारे big changes were happening which came during the time of French Revolution, and there was a complete transformation of sovereignty. Monarchy was changing to sovereignty and to the French citizen. Got it? Please understand that French Revolution, it was the transfer of sovereignty from monarchy. लोगों ने कहा कि राजा का राज अब नहीं चाहिए. They did not want the rule of monarchy, and it was to be a sovereign state and well governed by the French citizen. Got it? So the revolution that was there, and it was proclaiming that it was the people who would henceforth constitute the nation and shape its destiny. Got it? So absolute monarchy was removed and sovereign state was established. Got it? Now, this sovereign state, how it was working, what was the mode of work, that needs to be understand. For the first time it was happening ना, इसके पहले सबको पता था राजा का राज है. एंड सॉवरेन स्टेट में नाउ व्हाट वुड बी, हम कहने को तो कह रहे हैं कि इट वुड बी द रूल बाय द कॉमन पीपल, लेकिन ये कॉमन पीपल क्या करेंगे? What would be the role of the common people? French revolutionaries, what did they do? They introduced various measures and practices that could create a sense of सबसे पहली चीज, you know one thing, a lot of moral lessons are to be learned from these big incidents. काफी सारी चीजें सीखने को मिलती हैं. So when we are understanding, when we are trying to listen to it, when we are trying to see to it, we have to understand that, of course, the citizens who are there and the responsibility that has been given to them, they should come collective. साथ होना बहुत जरूरी है. Until and unless, अभी इंडिया में भी क्या हुआ, when there was nationalist movement was there. Now during this nationalist movement, the changes that were happening, these nationalist movement was taking the country towards freedom. लेकिन ये तब तक नहीं हुआ जब तक अलग अलग तरीके से लोग लड़ाई कर रहे थे. Till the time people were fighting separately in separate places, तब तक कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. But the major thing that had started, the major thing that had happened is that the revolutionaries who were there, India maybe the revolutionaries who were there, they brought, everybody came together. Mahatma Gandhi played a very important role in that. He said that the movements that we are carrying on, we have to see that people are supporting each other. अमीर गरीब का भेदभाव हटाना है. Okay? And ideas of la patrie, le citoyen was introduced. Got it? Please understand la patrie and le citoyen. These are French terminologies. I hope you all know that. ठीक है? The fatherland and le citoyen is the citizen. ठीक है? La patrie is, मतलब हम जैसे मदरलैंड होता है वैसे उनके यहाँ पे there is the fatherland, एक ही पिता की संतान, इस तरह समझो. The fatherland, and then you have the le citoyen, that is the citizen. Everybody belongs to one group. Citizenship is there. Okay, so a united community was there. They were enjoying equal rights under a constitution. A constitution में equal rights were there, and everybody was very particular about it. Got it? तो क्या हुआ कि there was a united struggle that was going on, a united community that was enjoying equal rights under a constitution. Equality की बात कर रहे हैं. We are talking about equality. So, equal rights have to be there. Equal rights amongst the citizens. Okay? So, a constitution was there and the constitution was to be followed. Got it? Now what happened? अभी लोगों को साथ में लेके आना है, मोर एंड मोर नियरनेस टू बी देयर हैज टू बी मोर एंड मोर कलेक्टिव आइडेंटिटी. इसके लिए इक्वल राइट्स आर देयर, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हैज बीन मेड एंड इट हैज बीन वेरी क्लियरली मेंशन्ड किसको क्या करना है. हमारे यहाँ पे क्या है, जस्ट सी, वी हैव द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड वी नो इट वेरी वेल हाउ इट इज टू बी डन एंड व्हाट इज टू बी डन. What is to be done, how it is to be done, that has been clearly demarcated. तो जब इतना अच्छे से पता है, तो it needs to be understood, we need to take care of these certain points that are kept, that were mentioned. Constitution का concept वहां से शुरू हुआ. People came together. A set of rules and regulations was made, which was to be followed in the country. और भी ज्यादा कलेक्टिव आइडेंटिटी के लिए एक तो ये हो गया ला पैत्री एंड ली सिटॉइन. ओके, इसके बाद द थिंग्स दैट हैड ब्रॉट द पीपल टुगेदर, सम थिंग्स न्यू वाज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड. सबसे पहला जो था दैट वाज अ फ्रेंच फ्लैग. ओके, अनदर थिंग दैट इज देयर इज द ट्राई कलर. And it was chosen to replace the formal. पहले जो राजा का मतलब these things were chosen to replace the formal royal standard. The royal standard that is to be there, the things that were there in a very kinship manner, in a very absolutist manner, उसको हटाने के लिए ये चीजें की गई. These things were done. And the old order was replaced and the new order was put up. It was chosen. Formal royal standards were removed and the States General was elected. Elections होने लग गए. A States General was elected and active citizens were there who were participating in these elections. And it was renamed as the National Assembly. Please understand Estates General. What is the meaning of estate? E-S-T-A-T-E. Area which is under one boundary. That is estate. State is तो आपको पता है राज्य है. Okay, country is there as the state. Estate is of course an area with a demarcated boundary. Got it? So Estates was there. Estates General was elected. Who would be looking after? भाई इतनी सारी चेंजेस हो रहे हैं. There has to be a proper management and there has to be a proper administration. So this administration has to be looked after. But a centralized administrative system that was put in place. And it formulated uniform laws for all citizens. इन्होंने क्या किया, इनका काम क्या था? States General was elected and it was named, new name was given ना, क्योंकि States General है, elections हो रहे हैं. And only the people who were अभी क्या था कि everything could not be brought to according to the wishes of the people. कर रहे थे लेकिन थोड़ा धीरे धीरे करना था. तो active citizens were there who have elected the National Assembly. It was called National Assembly. अच्छा, अभी ना क्या है कि you might be definitely remembering about the active citizen. Active citizen and passive citizen, remember? हाँ. Yes. The people who had property, male members, and all the people who were paying the taxes, all these were the categories which were included in the active citizen. Problem कहाँ पे शुरू हुई? You know what happens when the people ignore to see the contribution of women now? From there the problem arises. And now what happened? Passive citizen में women were kept. Centralized administrative system was put in place. And it formulated uniform laws for all the citizens all over the country. ऐसा नहीं है ना कि some people are following some laws, other are following other laws. This is not the correct method. Okay, so centralized administrative system was introduced. Because administration has to be proper and everybody should know their roles, their regular, matlab they know their duty in the system. Okay? Centralized, पहली चीज क्या हुआ? Centralized administrative system was there. And क्या होता है ना कि जब सिस्टम हो जाता है तो पीपल ऑलवेज वांट टू नो कि हमको क्या करना है, हमको क्या करना है, व्हाट डू वी हैव टू डू. तो दिस वाज सेंट्रल एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड एंड यूनिफॉर्म लॉज वर देयर फॉर ऑल सिटीजन. All the citizens were given due respect. Got it? Now, these citizens who were there within its territory, internal custom duties and dues were abolished. आप कंट्री में कहीं भी ट्रेड करने जा रहे हो, if in India you are going from Gujarat to Maharashtra and you have to pay custom duties, so this is bad. है ना, एक ही गुड्स के लिए. देन फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र यू आर गोइंग टू केरला, देन वहां पे भी आपको, तो हाउ मेनी प्लेसेस विल बी पेइंग मनी, फिर आपका प्रॉफिट मार्जिन क्या रह जाएगा. गॉट इट? सो इंटरनल कस्टम ड्यूटीज एंड ड्यूज वेर अबॉलिश्ड. इंटरनल कस्टम ड्यूटीज एंड ड्यूज वेर अबॉलिश्ड. Got it? Now please understand, a uniform system of weights and measures were adopted. किस तरह से? Just see how the things were gradually and slowly being brought under control. First, administrative system was there, central administrative system. Okay. Uniform laws for all the citizens. And internal custom duties and dues were abolished. Got it? Please understand, internal dues, custom duties and dues were abolished. Internally, no need to pay the taxes. And a uniform system of weights and measures was also adopted. क्या है? Please try to understand weights and measures. 1 kg has got a different value in Gujarat and 1 kg has got a different value in Tamil Nadu. Arey, what is this? Kg is kg, kilometer is kilometer. Okay, so uniform system of weights and measures. Now, when this is there, weights and measures that were adopted, regional dialects were discouraged. When we are talking of uniformity, the language has to be uniform all over the country. सब लोगों को एक ही भाषा बोलनी चाहिए, isn't it? That is also very important. Language plays a very important role. Same language, one language, and singing the like national anthem. National anthem अलग-अलग territories में हम अगर अलग-अलग language में गाएंगे तो no, it is Janagana Mana. तो Janagana Mana is all over India. Janagana Mana. Are you understanding? So language and uniformity in language also plays a very important role. Regional languages were discouraged. अब ये हम इंडिया में नहीं कर सकते. We cannot do it in India. I'm just comparing it to Indian situation. I'm just giving you an example of the Indian situation. But in France, the regional languages were discouraged. And French, as it was said, it was spoken and written in Paris, became the common language of the nation. You need to mention that. French was the common language. We need to understand that was the language of the nation. एक ही language. वहां पे they were reiterating that only one language should be spoken all over. So revolutionaries further, what did they say? They declared that it was the mission and destiny of the French nation that people should be liberated. All the people should be liberated, and the people of Europe should be liberated from one very common, one very important word had originated here. Please try to understand. Common language के साथ they were talking about liberation. Please understand. Got it? Absolutist government has already been removed. The liberation has to be there. Liberation of the people of Europe has to be there. Liberation from what? Liberation from, you know, no? Liberation is freedom from despotism. Despotism, I hope you all understand. Cruel rule. The rule that is there, which is in a very cruel format, very bad way. The ruling, the system that is there, that needs to be removed. And in other words, the people, to help other people of Europe to become nations. There was less of nation states, no? But because it has started in France, so it should be carried on in other parts of the world as well. World में तो नहीं, लेकिन यूरोप में they definitely wanted that people should be liberated from despotism. Despotic rule means very cruel rule of the rulers. Okay, now what happened? Whatever has happened in France, this news started reaching to the other parts of the world. हर जगह पे दुनिया में people started knowing about the incidents that have taken place in France, different cities of Europe. Students were there, other members were there, educated middle classes were there, and they started setting up clubs. Now the third state, because initiative has been taken by third state. Common people, when they get irritated, and common people, when they don't understand the things, they start doing the things on their own. Got it? तो अपने हिसाब से उन्होंने कोशिश करना शुरू किया, and then there was this event that was spreading its messages all over the world, especially Europe. And which club was playing an important role? Jacobin Club. Please remember the name of Jacobin Club. You all know about the activities of Jacobin Club. How they were established, what was their dressing style, their language, how did they interact with the people, all these things are there. That was helping Jacobin Club to come up in a very fast manner. Activities were there, campaignings were there. So French armies were prepared, which moved into Holland and Belgium. Now the French army, it was going to the other countries to establish and to, I won't say impose, but they wanted that liberation should be there in other parts of the world as well. Other parts of Europe should also be liberated. Holland, Belgium, Switzerland and Italy in the 1790s. So there were revolutionary wars where their French armies, they began to carry the idea of nationalism abroad. हर जगह पे जाके ये अपनी चीजों को बताने लग गए. They started spreading the message of nationalism, and they asked the nations to come up against the rulers, against the despotic rule of the kings. फ्रांस, बिकॉज फ्रांस हैज बीन मूविंग टू द न्यू कंट्रीज. किस किस जगह पे वो गए? वेयर डिड दे ऑल गो? दे हैड गॉन टू बेल्जियम, हॉलैंड, बेल्जियम एंड स्विट्जरलैंड. सबसे पहले इन्होंने इन्हीं कंट्रीज पे, मतलब दे ट्राई टू स्प्रेड देयर मैसेज इन दीज कंट्रीज. हॉलैंड, स्विट्जरलैंड and Belgium. Got it? All these activities, all these campaigns, because they have made up their mind कि राजा का, the king's rule needs to be finished. That was the call of the hour. And many places came under their control, and the person who had taken the lead in all this, इन सारी चीजों में जिस आदमी ने सबसे ज्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशन दिया था, he was none other than, I hope you all know about his name, Napoleon. All these policies, all these new things, all this new way of communicating, new way of administration, it was all introduced by Napoleon. And he was introducing many reforms. Already he had introduced it in France, but he wanted that these reforms should be there in other parts. He had a very good idea. He was coming up with new ideas and people were accepting it, people were liking it. Okay, so he after some years what happened? Through a return to monarchy, कुछ दिन के बाद there was monarchical system. Napoleon destroyed democracy in France. After, मतलब initially तो he had supported the people, he got the support of the people, लेकिन in administrative field में he had incorporated many revolutionary things where people were very happy. Revolutionary principles and whole system he wanted to make more rational and more efficient. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अच्छा काम करना है. This is what he wanted. And people have accepted it. देखो, wanting is another thing, but people accepting those things is a different thing altogether. Got it? So ये both the concepts we will be understanding, and tomorrow in the next class what we are discussing is the Civil Code of 1804. Got it? I just wanted to show you a map. I'll be showing you the map. So dear students, the topic that we have completed. After that, this topic, it's not that, French Revolution that we have talked about just now. A lot of things are mentioned here, and Les Citoyens, La Patrie, all these concepts that we have discussed. But certain points that you should not forget, we should always remember. I just wanted to show you this German almanac. ये देखो, कवर ऑफ अ जर्मन एल्मेनाक, डायरी जो होती है. यस, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि एल्मेनाक है. एल्मेनाक मीन्स डायरी का कवर, तो कवर पेज पे वही चीज होगी. दैट थिंग विल बी देयर विच इज द टॉक ऑफ द टाउन. गॉट इट? प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. यही चीज मैं आपको दिखाना चाह रही थी कि व्हाट हैव दे शोन इन द जर्मन एल्मेनाक. एल्मेनाक तो आपको पता होगा, डायरी जो आपको स्कूल डायरी मिलती है, दैट इज द एल्मेनाक. ऑल द इवेंट्स, ऑल द थिंग्स आर क्लियरली मेंशन्ड इन दैट डायरी. एंड दिस हैज बीन डिजाइंड बाय, आपको डिजाइनर का नाम याद रखना है बेटा. 10th क्लास है, कोई भी रिस्क नहीं ले सकते. कोई ऐसा, देयर शुड नॉट बी एनी सच क्वेश्चन वेयर यू ऑल गेट ट्रैप्ड, वेयर यू ऑल फील ओ गॉड ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन आ गया. नो वेज. everything should be at the tip of your tongue. I mean my major motive is that. सो जर्मन एल्मेनाक, वाई, इसकी पिक्चर क्यों यहाँ पे दी गई है, ये इसलिए यहाँ क्या बताया गया है. आई वॉन्टेड टू शो यू, जस्ट सी. दिस इज शोइंग द बेसाइल। फोर्ट्रेस प्रिजन, यहाँ पे लोगों को रखा जाता था बंद करके। तो आप यहाँ पे देख लो, दिस इज व्हाट दे आर शोइंग कि इमेज ऑफ द बेसाइल बीइंग स्टॉम्ड, हाउ रेवोल्यूशनरीज हैव स्टॉम्ड द बेसाइल। क्राउड को भी यहाँ पे दिखाया है, जस्ट चेक हियर द क्राउड हैज बीन शोन, how the crowd has stormed the Bastille. Please understand. And it has been placed, fortress के पास ही ये crowd को दिखाया गया है, means the bastion of rule in German province of Kassel जो है उसको खत्म किया जा रहा है। तो स्लोगन क्या है अभी, ये जो not very clear here ना, you just see the that is here. It has been mentioned here, the people must seize their own freedom. लोगों को अपनी आज़ादी चाहिए और वो आज़ादी लोग लेके रहेंगे। Got it? This is what is mentioned here. So the person has explained it.